What's going on, y'all? My hair is my hair messed up?
Yes.
Like for real.
I mean, you could pass it a little bit.
All right, nah, hold on. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video with Joshua in his car. You turn this way. But Josh got a new car, to be honest with you guys. It's still the Toyota Camry. It's still the XSE?
Yes, sir.
XSE model. But this one is the 2021. And this looks pretty sick. Already got the black wheels.
That they have put the film on the hood. See here?
Oh, okay, cool.
They put the film
That's
there.
good.
Then they put it on this. They put it on the doors on the side here. And then they put it on the back here too.
Dang.
So all the parts where it gets scratched, they have the film on it.
And then on the 2021, it comes with the panoramic sunroof. This is the inside of it. Do not roll down. You just got the windows tinted, but it don't even look that tinted. To be honest, it look like 25% or like 35% tint. We have panoramic sunroof. This thing is awesome. Doesn't look that much different on the inside from the 2019 model.
Yeah, they only changed the dash.
Oh, God. But yeah, today we're going to go ahead and change his exhaust. And this time I'm going to get it on video and actually save it and everything because last time I didn't. So let's get started.
That was a beater.
Alright, y'all. So this is the exhaust setup for the 2021. It's the same thing as the 2019 models, you know. So we can be taking off this pipe right here. It got 2 bolts down there. And we're going to take it off of this hanger. And this hanger. And that hanger on both sides. And it got 2 bolts. One back here, one right here on both. And then we got the 2 hangers right here. And we're going to pop it off and put the new one on. I'll show y'all the new one in just a second.
Help me put it in.
Okay.
And then you'll have to come with me so we can put it in the garage.
Okay. So, guys, remember with the metal pipe, the metal white pipe. Oh no, I'm talking on the video. On the metal white pipe that comes right here, and it's the white pipe that goes to both mufflers. Remember, you have to reuse these the 2 bolts that connects it right there to the resonator. Yeah, that's the resonator. Yeah, you got to keep those 2 bolts for the aftermarket exhaust because it only comes with the clamps that you guys see right there. It only comes with those clamps, so you have to reuse these 2 bolts. So yeah. But about to go ahead and put on the new one. Alright, white pipe ready.
You need a clamp too, right?
Dang, just with the nice fit. Nice. Oh my god. But we have the exhaust on, peoples. We spray painted the black tips the last time we put it on his blue car. So, yeah. And by the way, this is a Magnum Flow exhaust system. MF, Magnum Flow. Magnum Flow catback exhaust. Yes. So we're gonna put her down on all fours again, and we're gonna start this thing up and see how she sounds. With this, I think it's gonna sound the same. I think it has the same motor as the other one.
Yeah, 4-cylinder.
What? Yeah, let's put her down.
Work.
7 o'clock.
All right, I'm gonna run the Summit and then grab the applicator, and then when I get back, we can go do it.
Sure.
You don't want to ride with me to Summit? Nope. Come on, man. It ain't gonna even be that long. All right, when I get back, then.
All right, now she's all down. Let's go ahead and start her up, Josh. Oh. Remote start. Is it gonna start? Okay. That sounds deeper. That sounds deeper than before. Check to see if we got any exhaust leaks. Dang, that sounds good. That sounds better than the 2019 model, bro. That sounds way better than the 2019. Woo-hoo. Let's go ahead and hear a little rev. Nope. No leaks. She sound beautiful.
Ready?
Yep. That don't sound bad at all. That's nice. It does. It sounds totally different.
You think it's because we had that other ring on? Maybe it changed the sound or something?
Possibly.
Because it doesn't, it's not a bad thing, but it doesn't sound as loud as the other one. And I think because maybe it was like a gap or something, so like some sound was, I don't know. I mean,
It sounds cleaner.
Yeah.
Sounds cleaner. It's more, what is it, throaty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that sounds good though. That doesn't sound bad at all. All right, now it's time to hear a real car turn on. Let's hear a real car. Let's show Josh what he's missing.
Don't wake up the neighbors, please.
Everybody already at work. Oh man, I so love the sound of this car. I can't wait to go to that meet.
It's on Saturday, right?
Yeah.
And I have to we have to be there at CarMax at 8.
Yep, 8 o'clock.
All right. You said you're only gonna be there for like an hour, maybe 2.
Yeah.
All right. Who all going?
It's me, Bryson. But that'll be it for today's video, you guys. It was just a little short clip of putting his exhaust back on. But yeah, what we were actually talking about, we're actually gonna go to the cartel meet this Saturday. So you will see my car there. You will see Josh's car. Bryson's car you're not gonna see there because he needs to buy a whole new transmission. So you see my car there. You see Josh's car. We're actually going to be going with Khan and some of his friends. So you see Khan's car there at the cartel meet as well. And yeah, you know, go out there, have some fun, chill, hang out, meet all the car enthusiasts. So yeah, this is Powers of Farms. If you like this video, click that button down below. If you thought it was informative, click that button down below. Because I seen on the last video with the reflector lights, which we are also going to be doing on Josh's Camry probably next week, I think. We're going to put those back on. But yeah, the first video with the reflector lights, I seen that it has over like 2,000 views. So there's going to be some more Camry content. There's going to be some more stuff happening to this. And some more stuff for the BMW E46 over there. So yeah, just stay tuned. It's your boy Trent Powers, Powers Performance, and we out. Peace.